Hi friends, good morning everyone. How are you guys?
Good, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing good, madam. Thank you. Okay, so yesterday what we have seen, guys, we have seen about some of the locators, how to write with XPath and all we have seen, right? And today we are going to learn, guys, somebody are unmute. Okay, thank you. So we're going to learn new things today. Okay, new syntaxes with XPath and CSS. We will try to learn today. So what is the use of locators, guys? So in order to perform any action on our application, to perform any action, like you want to pass the data into text field, or you need to click on button, or you need to click on link, or selecting the item from the drop down or list, or you want to scroll down. See, all these operations, if at all we want to perform, first we need to identify the elements. Okay. So we are identifying the elements by using HTML only. Okay, we need to identify the elements by using HTML. So by using HTML only, we will try to identify the elements. Okay, so in the HTML, we want to identify, we have almost 8 to 9 locators are there. By using them only, we can identify. Okay, if somebody want to identify someone, so what are all the characteristics will be there, sir? His name, his initial, his height, his weight, as well as his forefather name or his father name, his ancestors. All these are required to identify a human being. Similarly, in order to identify a control, in order to identify a web element, okay, so in the HTML, tag name, attributes, and uh, text will be there, link text and all. We need to identify that element by using all those, and we will try to identify by using any one of the 9 locators we are having. But majorly, if you know how to work with XPath, okay, majorly if you know how to work with XPath and all, then really it will help us. Okay, so XPath will be helping us, XPath and CSS, and remaining all also we can use. If ID will be there, we can use ID. If name will be there, we can use name. Okay, those and all we will be discussing in the upcoming sessions. But for now, we are focusing on XPath and CSS. Even today's session also, we all are going to learn XPath and CSS. Okay, how to write the XPath, how to write the CSS. Okay, that is what we are going to learn even in today's session also. Okay, guys, again and again, I'm telling you, practice is very much required. If you are not doing practice, you may not become expertized in the automation. At least 2 to 3 hours practice is required. Please remember this point. If you are not doing practice, no way to become expertized. Automation is more hands-on is required. Okay, more hands-on is required. So that is the reason, if you are not doing practice and all, you may not become expertized. You may understand 10 to 15 sessions, but later on, you may lose the interest. But as I told you, what I told you, like the importance of automation, most of the companies nowadays are recruiting only for the automation testers. They're not asking about any manual stuff and all. That is the reason almost all the openings are there in automation testing only. That too, especially Selenium. That is what we are going to learn in the part of this course. Okay. So that is the reason. Please spend enough time for the practice and all. You may get some doubts. You can ask in the end of the session. I will help you on it. Okay. That way we will continue, guys. Okay, perfect. Let me start for today's. So as I told you, like how many locators are there, guys? Did you remember anyone? The locators part? Guys, anybody remember all the
ID
locators?
name.
Yeah.
Name, ID. CSS,
and
XPath,
XPath CSS.
Okay. Tag name,
Tag
tag,
name.
partial link
yeah,
test, link text. Okay, all
link.
these will be there. Okay, these are all the 8 locators which I'm going to show you now. So let me share my screen. So yeah, these are all the 8 locators we have: ID name, class name, link text, partial link text, tag name, CSS selector, and XPath. Okay. In the today our agenda will be, let me try to learn some of the syntaxes in it, some of the syntaxes in CSS and XPath. Because with XPath you can identify any element, guys. But when compared to CSS is faster. Okay, CSS is faster when compared to XPath, but you cannot identify all the elements by using CSS. But by using XPath, you can identify any element. Okay, so today end of the session, you will understand a few more syntaxes how we need to write under. Yesterday we have seen one of the syntax. The first syntax we have seen. I mean, if you remember what is absolute XPath, what is relative XPath. Very, very important interview question.
Absolute means it starts from the body and HTML tag, the
Yeah,
total path of the select element.
correct.
Relative means the particular place where it is located. We will start with double slash.
Yeah, exactly. So thank you so much, Monica. So it is more of a single slash we are using. So right from root element to the your element, you need to write all the hierarchy. Okay, but whereas relative XPath, just you can start with double slash. You can directly write whatever the element you want. That's it. Okay. So I hope yesterday these 4 syntaxes we have discussed, right? These 4 syntaxes we have discussed yesterday, like tag name, @attribute name equal to attribute value. And if at all you want to give here single slash I have given, might be it is a direct child. If I have given the multiple, I mean double slashes, it means what, guys? But this input to this form is not a direct child. It is an indirect child or a grandchild. That is the reason I have given double slash here. Okay, perfect. Let me try to learn few more syntaxes today. Let me open some sample application. Mercury tools only. Let me try to open. Okay. So for example, in this, I want to identify the submit button. Then I click on it, inspect it. Okay. Perfect. So this is the element. Guys, someone will tell me what is there. Name is there. Okay. Name is there. So how we can write the XPath, guys? Can you please tell me? Input. Guys, input.
At the, input open braces at the rate name equal to
Yeah. See,
single quotes.
yeah, name equal to submit. See, it is identifying successfully. This is the first syntax what I told you. But I want to take its parent also. Okay. For example, I want to identify by its parent. So what I need to do, guys, align equal to center, whatever it is. So double slash, because this one I want to use. Tell me, guys, double slash div. What
At align equal to center.
at align
Align equal to center.
equal to center. See, it is identified successfully. Do we need to give double slash or single slash here? It is a direct child only, right? Then let me give single slash. See, it is working fine. So whenever the child is not identifying by itself, then you can take help of its parent also. Okay, then you can take help of its parent. If at all it is a direct child, you can give single slash. If at all it is an indirect child, then you can give double slash. That is the simple logic. Okay. So that is about the some of the syntaxes in the relative XPath. The first one we have discussed. Next, we need to go with text also. How we can identify. See, one more syntax is this is the one, guys. Link text I told you, right? Let me show you that. See, for example, this register is there. What is the link text here? This is link text. This register is a link text. Okay. This register is a link text. I want to identify this element. See, none of the attributes are unique here. None of the attributes, only href is there. But I want to identify this link. How we can do that? Only link text is here. So whenever you want to identify the link text and all, the syntax is, this is the syntax. Tag name text equal to your link text. Tag name text equal to what, guys? Link text. Link text you need to provide. So now tell me how you can write. This is the link text, right? So what is the tag name? A is the tag name. What, guys? Text equal to what is
Register.
register. That's it. See, it is identifying successfully. So whenever you want to identify any element by using link text, okay, by using link text, then this is the syntax. Okay, text equal to whatever the link text is there, and similarly here support is there. Now tell me the syntax. Support. How we can write, guys? So link text, a text equal to, instead of register you can provide support. That's it. Or any other link. So see here, hotels link is there. How you can do that? Here also link text is there. Hotels. Just update here hotels. See, one of one it is identifying this way. So whenever you want to identify any element and all, then you can use the link text. The syntax for this one is what? Tag name text equal to link text. Okay, tag name text equal to link text. But one more syntax I want to tell you here. Let me assume my let me assume my link text is, okay, let me assume my link text is, for example, link is common, and after then some number is coming, random number is coming. My link text, okay, some random number is coming. Link is common. Now I want to identify only by using link. I want to identify only by using link, because remaining all are changing, keep on. Guys, are you following everyone? Guys, my link text is link is common, but after then the number automatically it is generating, which we cannot predict how it is taking that number and all, for example. Then still I want to identify my element. Okay, still I want to identify my element. This three are link text, guys. Whatever three I have written here, these all are link text. Link text is containing only link, but after then the random number is generating. But I want to identify by using link only. Then the syntax is very simple. You can take this syntax, okay? Slash slash tag name contains will be there, okay? Contains text, comma, its value, text value. That's it. This is the another syntax where you don't want to verify entire link text, or you want to verify some part of the link text, then you can use this syntax. Okay, carefully understand for the above. Tell me. So contains text. What is the common, guys? Link. Link is the common. That's it. This is the syntax where you want to verify the partial link text. Okay, where you want to verify some part of the link text, not the entire one. Okay, some part of the link text you want to identify. Then you need to go for this syntax. Contains, you can use it. Okay, are you fine, guys? When we can use the contains, guys? Some part of the link text you want to identify, then you can see not only contains, not only for link text, guys. You will see this is the syntax. So here also this is for the text I have given, but any attribute is there, you want to verify only, for example, you want to verify only the syntax little I am changing here. Here, any attribute also you can give. Okay, attribute also you can give. Not only for the link text, any attribute also you can give. Okay, any attribute will be there. If you want to verify, okay, if you want to verify what is the value of this one, okay, so then you can use the this syntax also. Any attribute you can give or part of the attribute value you can give here. That's it. Okay. Like this, how you can work with the other syntax, guys. Fine. That is about this syntax, contains syntax. Okay. That is about the contains syntax. Are you fine with this, guys? See here. And next, let me open the application. Let me show you that. Okay. Here, this is the link I'm checking. Okay. Business travel, something is there. But I want to identify only by using business travel. I don't want to take entire thing. Entire link text, I don't want to use it. Now tell me how I can write, guys. A contains text, guys. What I need to give here? Only business travel. I don't know, spaces are there, it will identify or not. We'll see. No, it is not identifying. It seems, yeah, whatever the text is here, that is having spaces. Okay. Okay. Only travel, let me give here. See, it is identifying successfully. Okay. So understand carefully here what we are doing in this syntax. Guys, I will give this file to you. Okay, I will put it into a shared drive. You can go through all these syntaxes from there. Okay, these syntaxes are very, very important. Another 1-2 sessions also we are going to discuss about all these. Okay, don't worry about that. Even in the entire course, wherever it is required, I am going to write the XPaths and all. So don't worry about it. Okay, let me try to learn all one by one and we will see how we are verifying and all. Okay. Similar way, yeah, some of the CSS syntaxes also there. Those syntaxes also we will try to learn. Okay, guys. Perfect. So few more syntaxes we will try to learn. You can see here. So this syntax I have done just now. The contents I am using and the text I am using. So business. You can observe carefully here. Okay, it contains text travel I am giving. So it is successfully able to identify the element. Okay, perfect. So similarly, any other element, let me take here, register here is there. Okay, register here is there. I want to identify the text. Then let me give here, only here, whether it is identifying or not. See, it is identifying successfully here. Only here I am giving. It is identifying successfully. Okay. So some part of the attribute value you want to give to identify the element, then you can use what, guys? Contains you can use. Okay, perfect. Next, index. Index, I want to use it. Okay, I want to use the indexing under. For example, here, how many inputs are there, guys? See, in this TR1 input is there. For example, this table, any unique attribute is there? I don't think this table any unique attribute is there. These all are changeable, guys. No unique attributes are there. No, nothing. For example, let me give table / input. Total, how many are there inputs, guys? 4 it is giving. What are all those 4? 1. This is 2, 3, 4. What is the first one, guys? The first one is a hidden one, guys. First one is a hidden. This is second. this is third, this is fourth. Okay, based on the index I want to identify. Okay, based on the index I want to identify the particular element. Now first one is the hidden. Two, this is the second index, this is the third index, and this is the fourth index. Okay, very simple, guys. See here, put, this is the syntax. You can observe carefully here. So this is the syntax. You can put in the brackets whatever the XPath you have written and which index you want to select and all. 0th index, first one, second one, third one, fourth one. You can give the index here. Okay. This is the syntax I'm writing now. Table, input, okay. Table input, close it. Okay, total 4 I am getting. I want to identify second one. See, successfully username is identifying. Or if I give third one, successfully identifying, or if I give fourth one, submit button is identifying successfully. So this is based on the indexing, guys. Okay, this is based on the indexing. So you want to identify your element by using index, then you need to go for what? You want to identify using index, then you can identify by using indexing. Okay, fine. So far everybody clear, guys? Guys, so far everyone is clear? Any doubts so far?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Perfect. Okay. Next, few more syntaxes in the CSS also let we try to identify. And then we will go with advanced stuff. And meanwhile, guys, today, try to install the Java in your machine. Okay. Already Java installation or Eclipse installation, I have provided in our recordings. I think you can check it out in the recordings, whether it is there or not. Okay, you can check in the recordings. I hope I updated already Java installation part and all. See, Java installation, Eclipse installation, all are there. So the assignment for you guys is configure in your machine Java and Eclipse for today. Guys, I uploaded some of the videos even yesterday. Another 4 videos I have updated here. You can try to go through it. These videos also. So soon, either tomorrow or day after, we are going to start with actual coding part and all in the part of Selenium. But if you practice, then only Selenium will be easy. Again and again, why I am telling, if you did not practice, okay, if you did not practice, then by listening it is okay, but actual work you want to do it and all, then you may not. So that is the reason, guys. My request to you all is please try to practice every day. Okay, please try to practice every day. Then only it is possible for you to become expertized on it. And also interviews and all, they will be focusing more on what? Automation only. Manual also they will ask in the interview, but main focus is on automation. Though they have the manual requirement, but still they will be taking automation people only. Why? Because they want to utilize for both manual and automation. Okay, that is the main reason. Fine, perfect. Okay, so please go through the Java recordings also. So see here, guys. One more syntax, let me try to learn here. If I want to give multiple attributes, okay. Lakshmi, can you please mute yourself? I'm getting some disturbance. Thank you. So if you want to identify using multiple attributes, okay, multiple attributes you want to identify. See the first syntax. First syntax is what? Multiple attributes you are giving. Okay. So both the attributes need to match here. This syntax and this syntax both are same. But here you have used AND operator to consider multiple attributes. Here OR operator I have used. What it means? Either this one or this one. Any one of the attribute matches, then it will try to identify the element. Okay. Any one of the element need to matches. Fine. Okay. So let me show you that part as well. For example, you can see here. Any one of the attributes. See here, this username is there. Same. Here two are there. Type is there, username is there. I want to identify by using these two. Let me assume in this case here, with a normal flow, it is not identifying, for example. Okay. What is there, guys? Name, input, @name equal to username. And one more attribute also I want to give. Type, type equal to text. See, multiple attributes we have used to identify the element. We have used multiple attributes here. Okay. We have used multiple attributes here. Similar way, you want to use the AND operator. That is also very simple. Just remove this and put AND. That's it. AND operator you are giving. Or any one attribute you want to identify, just give OR operator. That's it. Okay. So any attribute, guys, you may need to get a one doubt here. Why you are not getting? See, here for the text we are not giving @, but here we are giving @name. Why? See these two syntaxes. Here for the text we are not giving @, but name we are giving @. Can anybody tell me?
Because name is a attribute.
Correct. So name is an attribute, but text is not an attribute. Okay. @ you need to give only for attribute. @ you need to give only for what, guys? Attribute. For the attribute only you need to give the @. Okay. Fine. So that you need to remember, guys. Okay. These syntax also we have done. And earlier I have created one, right? So here will be there. Tag name contains you are using. Okay. Contains means in this syntax, even this one also works fine. Okay. This one also it will work fine with this syntax. Text equal to contains link. But my scenario is little changing my scenario. My starting text is link 1 2 3 4. Starting text is link 4 5 6 7. Starting text is link. Okay, this is there. I want to identify by using starts with. Okay, by using starts with the link. I want to identify. Okay, I want to identify only starts with what? Link. Starts with the link I want to identify. Then we have another syntax like tag name. Okay. Instead of contains, you need to use what? Starts with. What is the attribute? For example, attribute is text, link, close this one. That's it. This is the syntax. Please try to remember. Yes, please check this syntax here. What is the syntax, guys? So tag name and starts with what earlier we have used what, guys? Contains. Now we have used what? Contains means this is the syntax. Anywhere the link need to be there, it will identify. But I want to identify only with the starting text. I want to identify only with what? Starting text. So starts with text, comma, link. This is how you can identify the element. Let me see some examples with starting text and all. Okay. Starts text. Let me see some example like you want to identify some element. Okay, business travel is there, for example. You want to identify some element, okay, only by using business. Can we write the syntax for it? What guys? Only by using business you want to identify. A, what guys? Starts with, what is that?
Next
Text.
text,
What is
business.
business? Perfect. It is identifying successfully. So starts with and contains will be there. In XPath, we don't have ends with guys. Okay, we don't have ends with. Okay, we have only contains and starts with. Ends with you want to verify, then also you can use the contains. Okay, yeah, like this way. Yeah, starts with and text business I have written. So instead of contains, I have written here starts with. What is the difference between contains and starts with, guys? Guys, what is the difference between starts with and contains?
Means it will start and the text will be like starting with that particular text.
Correct.
Content means anywhere it should be available, like
Yeah.
in the middle of anywhere.
Yeah, yeah. It will be available at any place in the given text. But starts with means it should starts with that particular text. Okay, perfect. Like this way, it is going to work, guys. Perfect. See other syntaxes and all. Last syntax today we will see, and then we'll continue with other syntaxes. So, guys, one more thing will be there here. Try to understand. For example, now my scenario is very simple. I want to identify. Okay, under this parent. Okay, let me go to here. This username only, or let me take some other guys in order to get the this input is there in this tr. This tr. Okay, guys. For example, I'm not able to identify all these. Okay. For example, I'm not able to identify all these. All these TRs are what, guys? Under same parent. Under same parent. So we can call all these TRs are siblings. Guys, under one parent, all these are there. Then we can call all of these are what? Siblings. These all are siblings. These all are siblings. Let me assume, okay, I'm able to identify. Let me assume I am able to identify this username, but password is not having any unique attributes. But password is not having what, guys? Any unique attributes. Let me assume username is having unique attributes, but password is not having any unique attributes. By using username, I want to identify password. Scenario is clear for everyone. By using username, I want to identify what? Password. By using username, I want to identify the password. Can we try that? So you want to try that. How you will navigate? Okay, how you will navigate from child to parent? I can call it as a reverse traversing. I can call it as a what, guys? Reverse traversing. It means you can move from child to parent. You can move from what? Child to parent. You can move from your child to parent. So for that, you need to use ... Okay. If you use ... you can move from child to parent. Okay. This is the last syntax for today, guys. Last syntax for today. Please understand carefully, guys. This document, I'm going to put it into a shared drive. You can take it from there. Okay. Perfect. I want to identify what, guys? I want to identify the last syntax. Please practice all. Anyway, entire course, we are going to see all these syntaxes. You don't worry about it. Entire course, every day you need to write the new syntaxes and all, so that you will be expertised in it. So don't worry. So this, okay, username is there. I want to identify, my scenario is what? I want to identify first username. By using this, I want to identify the password. That is what my scenario is. Let me see here. First, how I can identify input at the rate name equal to name attribute value username. Okay, my username I have identified successfully. Next, slash dot dots, it will go to its parent again. Slash dot dot, it going to its parent. Okay, now we are at the TR level. Now we are at what? TR level. Next, my point is what? Okay, so slash dot dot means what is happening here? It is going to its parent. Now again, I have given slash dot dot. See, it is taking you to again its parent. Okay, slash dot dot will take you to its parent. Now again, we need what, guys? Now we need what? TR of TR. Under this TR, we may have n number of under this TR. Again, I'm going to use the indexing slash input. TR of 3. In that TR of 3, I want input. See, anywhere anywhere in this syntax, have you used the password, a name attribute, a type attribute? No, we haven't used. Guys, did you understand the syntax? Let me give you more clarity on it. Okay. Guys, please understand carefully here. This is the syntax I have written. What is happening here? Tell me. So you can observe carefully. The first part is clear for you. Input, name, username. I have given here what, guys? I have given here. These are all the syntaxes like slash dot dot. What is happening when you give slash dot dot, guys? What is happening?
It's going to the parent.
Yeah, it is taking you to its parent. Okay, so until TR, okay, I moved 3 times to its parents, and then by using indexing, I am trying to identify this element, and in that TR, I want what? Input.
Input.
Yeah. So this way you are going to write the reverse traversing. Reverse traversing means going from child to parent. So far we have seen parent to child by using single slash or double slash. But I want to move from child to parent. Child to parent, how you can move, guys? So by using this syntax. So one more. Alternative. This is one of the way. Another way also is also there. Okay, I want to move from child to parent. That we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, one more way is also there. By using parent and child, we can move from parent to child and all. That we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, so and few more CSS syntaxes also there. Even tomorrow's session also, we are going to discuss about different syntaxes and all. But don't worry, these all syntaxes anyway, we are going to learn in the part of our course every day. So do not worry about this. So every day we are going to learn all these syntaxes and all. Okay. One last syntax CSS I want to tell you for today. Okay. This syntax already we have seen. Okay. Is reverse traversing is there in CSS? No, we don't have reverse traversing in CSS. You cannot move from child to parent in CSS. Okay. So reverse traversing only possible with XPath. You are able to identify the child, but you are not able to identify the you are able to identify the parent, and siblings are there. You want to identify. but not using its own attributes, then you need to go with parent attributes you want to identify. Then you can go to the parent first and then navigate to your child. That is how it will be there. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to put this document into the shared drive today. You can see, and also the assignment for you guys is take your own application. Okay, take your own application. So we are working on our application, right? Okay, we are working on our application only, right? Online testing help application only, right? So I want today's assignment is go to the projects in the banking. I want locators for all these elements, for this element, for this element, for this element, and here user is there, your password is there, go to website is there, sign in button is there, and once logged in, okay, once logged in, some of this. So at least 10 locators, okay, I'm expecting from every one of you on this application. What are all the elements you are going to identify? That is your choice, but everyone I am expecting 10 locators. Guys, clear about the assignment part?
Yesterday we did the same assignment, sir, actually.
Which application you have done?
This one only,
Oh,
our
okay.
application, online
Okay.
testing help and locators.
Okay, it is working fine, all?
Yes, sir.
But
Just I have a doubt in the image, how to locate the image.
okay, where image is there here?
In the settings, inside the page, when we log in,
Okay,
so when we go to the settings,
okay,
there are two images with the same image is there down. Yeah, that OBS, the bank image is there.
okay. What do you want to do here?
The above image, sir, the bank, which is written as bank.
Okay,
Yeah, that one. The two images are there. So how do we locate it properly? Like, do we give the entire image that link to identify?
no, first let me check it out.
Yes,
So
sir.
image source is there, alt ID is alt ID, it is okay, class is there. So no unique attributes are there here. Okay, that's fine. You can go with this parent. And here class is there. You can try to identify this class. So let me try to use this class, okay, to locate that image. Guys, when class is, okay, spaces are there, you can use any one of this value. You no need to use entire text, okay? When spaces are there, you can use, see, I'm going to use this part of the text only. Let me try to identify them. Div @class equal to div class is there so many times, different locations it is there. Okay.
When I give the full class name, then only it's identifying actually. So we'll set the correct way.
Okay. Let me use contains. What is this? SRC.
SRC equal to, sir, equal to.
No, contents I'm using, right?
Oh, yeah. Right.
There it is SRC, but the tag name is not div. Tag name is image. See, it is one of two are identifying.
Yeah, two are identifying.
One is might be in hidden state. Okay.
One is on the top of the web page, like left side top.
Okay. Oh, that one is identifying. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one is identifying. You can use indexing to locate the particular element. Okay.
Okay.
It seems both are having same
Mm.
attributes and also that is the reason. See here also it seems same attributes are there. Yeah, same name is there, class, brand image is here. Okay, you can try with brand image and let me know. So yesterday, but why I did not receive any mail from any one of you, all the locators? I
Oh,
did
we should
not.
email.
Yeah, please send the email to me so that I will check it out. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Right now I'll send you some.
Okay. So my mail ID, you might be having it. So please note it down, my mail ID, guys. Please, if anybody is not having, then online testing help at gmail.com. Okay. Online testing help at gmail.com. This is what our mail ID is. Okay. So online testing help at gmail.com. Please, whatever the assignment you are doing, but assignment for today for you guys is like, what are all the new syntaxes I told you? All these syntaxes, whatever the syntaxes I told you, for all these syntaxes, I need different locators, including this reverse traversing also. I want different locators from you. Okay. Please do this and let me know, guys. Okay. Fine, guys.
Yeah, one more thing, I didn't get any credentials. Online help day. Online testing help. Hello?
Yesterday, I sent
I
you in the chart. Have you taken from there or no?
no.
Yeah, I clearly told you to take from the chart. Okay, all the URLs and all. So that's fine. Let me ping you in the chart so that this is the admin login. Okay. Please copy it and all. Okay, I sent you in the chat.
Okay.
Okay, username, password I sent to you.
Okay.
Please copy it. Okay. And if you want to go to user login, this is the user login. You can user login also. You can. Yeah, this is the URL for user login. You can log in into admin and you can create a user. With that user, try to log in into the user login. Okay. Yeah, try to go through it. If you did not understand, let me know, Srikanth. Okay. Fine. Okay, that's all for today's
Hi,
session,
sir.
guys. Hi.
We are new to the class.
Yeah. So just I started yesterday only, madam. So this part and all. So how you are feeling about today's session? Are you able to follow or not?
Yeah, I followed 2 sessions already, sir, regarding the links that are provided. Automation testing. Sessions
Okay.
2 I have followed.
Okay. Okay.
So
See,
you're telling to do the assignment.
yeah.
So how to open that and how to do?
See, can you do one thing? How much time you are having every day?
Yeah, I'm housewife only, sir. Right
Oh,
now.
you are having good amount of time. Very good.
Yeah.
So this is the third session, madam, which I have
Yeah.
taken today. So can you go through these 3 sessions one more time and let me know with your questions to me? Because this is the third session. Today is the third session I have taken.
Yes,
And still we are in very beginning only, like how to identify the elements and all. We did not start anything with writing the automation scripts and all. We did not started yet. But
yes,
if you have time, okay, so you can follow up with Manjula. So she will give you the access to all these recordings. If you go through
yeah,
those.
they sent me, sir.
Okay.
So I have already gone through 2 sessions. Today is the third session.
Okay.
So I know what is about identifiers and how XPath and CSS.
Perfect. Perfect. So you are able to follow, right? No confusion.
Yeah, I'm able to follow. But how to go to that locators and do that home assignment? The
No,
banking
yeah,
section you told me, no?
assignment part, just now I sent you in the chart
Yeah.
window. Can you
Yes.
copy these all URLs into somewhere?
Yeah, I
All
copied.
credentials and all. What I'm asking is,
Mm,
on this application, okay, whatever the
Okay.
application we are having, this
Okay.
is the admin login, okay? You can enter
Yeah.
the username and password.
Yes.
I
Okay.
need locators. See, this admin login, I need a locator. Sign in, I need the locator. You can use the XPath to identify
Okay.
it. Okay, I want locator this field. I want locator
Okay.
for this password field. Go to website, the sign
Okay.
in link. Okay,
Okay.
once you logged in again, see, these are all the different things are going to go. I need locator for this welcome to online banking. I need locator for this menu where you can click on it. Locator for dashboard, account management, transaction, announcement, whatever you are able to see on this application. See,
Okay.
new account is coming. See, different fields are there here.
Yes.
I need locators for this account number, first name, middle name, last name, email, password. Okay, all these different locators. See, at the end of our course, this application, each and every locator, you should have it.
Okay.
Okay, because locators only the major part in our automation. Once you are understood the locators, then half of the automation challenging is done. Okay, so that is the reason I'm asking you to write the locators by using XPath or CSS and try to locate the particular element and share me those locators how you have written. Okay,
Okay, sir. And
right.
regarding this manual testing also, we didn't attend the class.
Manual
I'm
test.
following your YouTube links. I'm following.
Okay.
So, sir has
YouTube
sent me
links.
sessions.
Yeah, YouTube links I have given some information only, but if you follow my actual class recordings,
Yes,
then
sir has
that
sent me. Ravi Kumar sir has sent me the sessions.
okay.
So I'm going through that.
Yeah. Please go through those recordings and let me know any questions. End of the session, you can ask me if you have any questions. Okay. Yeah, it will be crystal clear, all those videos and all, whatever is required, I am explaining everything. But
Yeah,
if
14
still,
sessions are there in that.
yeah.
17 sessions, 14 to 17 sessions. So
Yeah.
I'm going through that.
Sure. Still you are having any questions, and you have my mail ID, right? You can always shoot a mail to me, or else you can ask me in the end of the session also. Okay.
Sir, thank you.
If more doubts and all there, then we will set up one call, 20 to 30 minutes call, then I will try to answer all your questions. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Right, guys. So that's all for today's session. Assignment, everybody clear, right? So whatever, at least 10 to 20 locators I'm expecting. You can send a mail to me once you identify. Any locator you did not identifying, let me know tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow also we're going to discuss about other locators and all. And today other assignment to you guys is like install Java and Eclipse into your machine. Okay, please install. Already in Java recordings I explained you how to install the Java and how to install the Eclipse. Please follow that and configure Eclipse and Java into your machine. That is also assignment for you guys today. Okay, right, guys. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow.
Sir, one more thing. When you are free in the evening. Hello.
Okay, this is for.
Sir, when you are free in the evening.
No, that is what I'm asking you, right? So this is for what? You want to talk to? You want to talk something, or what?
Regarding this session, any doubts we can get? How to contact?
Doubts and all, so I will not be available in the call and all. Always you can send a mail to me. I will reply to that email, or else next day session we are going to discuss about it. Because I do working, right? I do have my office works and all. I am also busy with my office work in the entire day. So that is the reason I will not be available in the call and all. But you can shoot a mail. If time permits, I will reply there only, or else we will discuss in next day session. Okay.
Sure.
Right. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Please try to complete the assignment and install Eclipse and Java in your machines. Right, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you tomorrow. Right.